This is Flat Renovation Update, day 70. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So as you can see over here, we've got the backsplash of the subway tiles, which are finally in. Here's a closer look. I think it looks really nice. It really finishes off the kitchen. And then we've also got this new light over here. I just noticed that the one is not working, so I'm trying to figure out why. But overall, the kitchen is looking nice. We've also got some chairs over here. Rest of the place is a little bit messy because I'm doing some painting and some upgrades, but here's a couch, there's the bed. So we are nearly there.